Hello everyone, welcome. You are watching the life after CCI block, and as you know, I am working at CCI Automation Lab, and as we noticed an issue in our part 1 video that the CSR router shows the wrong interface ID. So in this video, we will fix the problem and also try to get some technical background for it. So without wasting any time, let me try to log in into the CSR router and check the interface status. Oh, this is not a switch, but it is a router. So let me type the command for a router. As you can see, it shows wrong interface ID like gig5, gig6, gig7, gig8, but the actual interface IDs are gig1, gig2, gig3 and gig4. You can resolve this problem by resetting the router, but you will lose your configuration and it is not a good option. So how to resolve this problem? Let's learn about this. To make it easier, let's break this solution into a few steps. As steps number 1, check current mapping, driver name and the MAC address associated with each interface. As you can see, I'm running the command. So platform software Winnick if interface mapping. So as you can see the output. The second step is there, clear all wrong interface mapping, means we will remove the all other wrong interfaces, the interface 5, 6, 7, 8. So the command is the clear platform software Winnick if interface and the interface ID is gig5, gig6, gig7 and gig8, one by one for all wrong interfaces. The third step is that after this we need to clear the NV table entries. As you can see that I run the command again, but still it's showing me that no interfaces exist because we removed the all interface, but we need to clear the NV table entries. So as step 3, we need to run the command clear platform software Winnick if NV table. Let's hit enter and wait for a few seconds. So you can see it shows you that it's clear the MAC address table and interface IDs which is in the NV table. So the next step is reload the CSR router, but don't commit any above changes. There's no need to write the WR or the do WR or the commit command. Just reload it. It will take a few minutes, and let's go some fast forwarding. So reload has been done, and you can see now we are good to go. We have the interfaces, the interface gig1, 2, 3 and 4. And do we have the OSPF neighborship? Let's check. Yes, I also have So what was the issue? I found the problem with the drivers and NV table pro. This may due to a virtual platform like EVNG, GNS3A interfaces, or the router might crashed or something else. Thank you for watching this video and stay happy and healthy. Thank you. Bye bye.